Mahek Bukhari had over 120,000 followers on TikTok. As a social media influencer, she posted regular fashion updates. Some videos included her mother, Ansreen, as they shared how close they are. So when Ansreen told her daughter she'd been having an affair and was being blackmailed, Mahek came up with a plan that would lead to the young man's death. 21-year-old Saqib Hussain had been threatening to send sex tapes to Ansreen's husband unless she paid him back around £3,000 he'd spent on dates with her. On the night of the killing, they'd arranged a meeting in a supermarket car park in Leicester. As Saqib and a friend arrived in a Skoda, Mahek and her mother were in an Audi marked in red. Other people they knew were in the car marked in blue. After deciding not to get out, the young men pulled away, followed by the other two cars. They were captured still following the Skoda as it headed towards the A46. By the time they got here to the dual carriageway, the Audi had reached a speed of almost 100 miles an hour. Saqib Hussain made a panicked 999 call, saying, "They're trying to ram me off the road. I'm begging you, I'm going to die." There was then a scream and the sound of a loud crash. The car had hit a tree. Both Saqib Hussain and his friend Mohammed Hashim Ijazuddin died as the car then burst into flames. Police visited Mahek, but she lied about where she'd been.
Where was that?
So we first stayed here and then we went straight to Nottingham.
As soon as I've turned around, this silver car's gone.
But after her arrest, her story changed. She admitted she had been on the road in Leicester, but claimed she wasn't involved in the crash.
The silver car swerved to not my side, to the other side of the dual carriageway where the metal bits are, basically. And I didn't see the car after that. I didn't hear a bang.
During the trial, she admitted she'd lied repeatedly to the police.
I think sometimes it's been very hard for the families to grasp, to hear different accounts, no real admission of guilt or feelings of for the two lads that died.
From the glamour of TikTok stardom to convicted killers, Bukhari and her mother now face long sentences in prison.